Look, this process is to produce the PVC sheaths or the PV jackets which is wrapped on these two conductors which are already be insulated by the XLPE. These two insulated conductors will be put together by these rollers and then go into these hot molders. In these hot molders, the PVC materials will be melted and then to create the PVC jacket or the PVC sheaths to create the final cables. This is the raw materials of the PVC, which is produce the PVC sheaths of the cable. The raw materials of PVC will be suctioned by this pipe to this silo, and then the PVC raw materials will go into the machine to be melted to the liquid mold, and then to create the cable sheaths. Called printing machine. Look, the code will be printed on the surface of the final cable or on the PVC sheaths. That's the whole process for the XLPE power cable manufacturing.